Okay, we are logged into SunGem and we're going to edit an existing page. We're going to start with awards and press. So I'm going to click on the name of the file and that's going to bring up the editing page. At the very top we have the file and SEO information. Name is just used to identify the page inside of SunGem on our list of pages and in our links. Label is the label that shows up in the menus. The title is the title in the browser bar. It's also used by search engines. Description is also used by search engines. You want to put a lot of keyword specific information in both of these. The keywords list, you're going to select any of the options available. If you want to add more keyword lists, go up here and click on the keywords tab. And then you select your template type. We have home page or a standard 2-column page, so we're going to use a 2-column page on every other type of page we add to the website. The file name needs to be unique for every different page in your website. You're going to want to use keywords separated by hyphens, followed by .htm or .html. If you want to see what the page looks like, you can click the preview button here. It will open up a new window and you can preview your page. And to edit the content, we have our editable areas here. The first selection is a photo, and description is a panoramic image at the top of the page. If we go back and look at it, here's our photo, it's a panoramic image. And if we want to change the photo, we click on this little folder button right here. This will bring up our image manager. And when the image manager loads, it's similar to My Computer, where you have folders and files showing your images and what's available. On the left, we have our different sections. We have recently uploaded, any favorites we have, some of the categories that are available, and then our most recently accessed folder will be the one that shows up first. Here are all of our header images. If we wanted to select a different one, we can simply click on it and that will update right here. It'll say that we've selected a different image. This is now the counter types and ideas. The alternate text is search engine text that can be added to the picture. The next thing we have is our page heading. This is 5 to 10 words and this will go along the top of the page. This is our heading. This is where it's displayed. We then have our page text, 100 to 300 words, and if you click into the page text, it'll load the page editor so that you can do common tasks like bold or link. Below page text, we have our quotation, we have our quotation from the very bottom of the page, along with the author, and then the title of the quote. So let's look at that. So here is our quote, here is our author, and here's the author's title. This is the main page content, main page text, which we can edit here and we can see. If we want to add a link to anything, maybe a publication, we would simply copy or highlight the area that you want to link and then click the link button, insert link here, and then you would type or paste in the address of the destination website and you would click insert. And if you're happy with the changes, you would click update page. In this case we're not, we want to just cancel the changes, so we're going to click back to pages. This is going to load all of our pages, and then we can either add a new page to the website using this link on the left, or we can duplicate an existing page. And if we want to duplicate a page, this button over here with 2 page icon, click duplicate page and it will copy over all of the information from the previous page. This can help when you're making a one-off change, something very similar. And then you would just go through and change the name to your new page and continue all the way down. Once you're done, you would say add page, and you now have a new page added to your website.